Yo,
Yeah,
it
this
just
spot
went
right
down
here.
in Applebee's.
Yeah,
A
this
wife
should
just caught her
should just
husband
lock it up.
on a date with his
Become a
baby
polygamy
mama.
unit. You know, family's everything. Like she said, we're family now. All the baby mama had to say, you know what? Right.
Excuse me?
Let's try this out and see how it works. Let's bring the
We all
peace.
gonna have them together. We all gonna have them together.
Let's make a family and stop with this negativity and envy and jealousy.
Why is she here?
This is what it's supposed to be anyway. If he can manage both of us, fine, let's do it. But me and you have to have a conversation first. Me and you have to get along. We have to figure out what niches and natches in order for this to work. And all mom, all, you know, present wife could have said, you might be right, let's talk about this. You're going to stay out of it for the next 2 weeks, me and you. And then we go from there. That's all they have to do. Simple.
You don't deserve a meeting. Thank you. Why does she